Hello, my name is Benjamin and I'm one of the founders and the CEO of Doks Innovation. Doks Innovation is focusing on the logistics market and the automation of stock-taking processes indoors and outdoors. Stock-taking always means manual processes and stuff. With Inventory XL, we have a solution for warehouses and pallet racking areas. Inventory XL is the combination of an AGV and a drone. With our overnight operation within 5 hours, we are able to capture the data which are necessary for an annual stock taking or inventory or daily stock taking. With Summary and our Summary solution family, Summary Sky, Ceiling and Gate, we are able to collect data on huge outdoor stock areas such as automotive industry, empties, production goods, whatever. We are able to capture data in huge indoor block storage areas or in terms of in and outbound processes. With delivery, we have a smart solution that allows transport of smaller goods up to 2.5 kilogram on logistics areas or between different logistics areas with a distance up to maximum 5.5 kilometers. We were founded in early 2017, started our company in early 2018. We are now a team of 22 people. We are located in Kassel in the middle of Germany. We are working with 65 different international customers and we are facing the Inventory XL launch in October this year.